Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you appreciate all the content that I drop. Let's just talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these different type of cryptocurrencies that are crashing like crazy right now. And I'm explaining to you guys my strategy on how I'm going to be investing into these coins in the near future and coming up weeks. So let's just get started. So my strategy is simple, guys. It's could be just boring to you guys, but remember, I'm not here to make anything look cool. I'm not here to make anything look fun or addicting and stuff like that. This is not a casino. This is how you build wealth. So what I do, and it's similar to stocks, what I do in cryptocurrency is just I buy every time I get paid. I buy some at a time. It's called dollar cost averaging. And so when I dollar cost average, then that means that I will buy a little bit at a time every single week, no matter what the price is. So there's been a lot of people hitting me up and asking me about, oh my God, have you seen the crash? Have you seen, Bitcoin fall? Have you seen Ethereum fall? And I just say to that, yeah, I have. And they ask me how I feel about it, and I feel like nothing. I mean, I just continue to buy. I have my own routine. And when it dips, I buy. When it goes up more, I buy. Because the whole point of wealth is accumulation. And you want to accumulate stuff like real estate, stocks, and now I'm accumulating cryptocurrency so that you can build wealth for the future. When we talk about wealth building, it is not essentially going in and out of assets. For you to truly build wealth, you have to hold assets. Now, stuff like Bitcoin, you only get the realm of appreciation. So I believe that, Bitcoin and Ethereum, their prices do not reflect their true value, and I think it's going to be a lot more higher than what the price is right now. Stuff like stocks and real estate, these are money printers that if you hold on to, they will give you money every 3 months or every month. So for example, real estate, right? Once you buy the house, you hold it. And why do you hold it? What is the incentive to hold it? It's because if you put a tenant into the building, then they would pay you rent, meaning that they pay you every single month for however long you hold the asset. So if you hold the asset, the real estate property for a lifetime, you will get rent paid to you every single month for the rest of your life. And if you do pass away, then you pass it on to your kids, and they pass it on to their kids, and now they have this one property that continually produces income every single month for them. And depending how you have it structured, either you have a property manager, and so you just collect money. In the stock world, you are going to be collecting dividends. For the most part, that's what I do. And that's what a lot of people's portfolios and their 401ks and their IRAs have. These are stocks, which are companies that produce cash flows. And then once they produce the cash flow, they have the profits and they pay out the profits to investors. So I hold O Realty. I really love this company. It's a real estate investment trust. And they pay out every single month. I can show you right here that I get paid out $6 and some change every single month because I hold a certain amount of shares. Now, if I were to get rid of all my shares and I would trade it in for a profit, then that means that my position is gone and I do not have any more cash flow, meaning that $6 I used to get, I do not get anymore because I do not own those shares. So whenever we are buying assets, we are holding for the long term until it is, unattractive, or I want to move that money into a different asset so that new asset will produce me maybe even more returns. And this is what we call a better deal. Now, when we come to cryptocurrency, like I said, there is no cash flow. It is all value based, and that is called appreciation. When we are seeking appreciation, you have to have conviction. You have to believe in these different types of assets. Now, when I was doing my research about Bitcoin and Ethereum, it took me a while to understand it. And in simple terms, it is a very simple concept, but it is a new asset that the world has never seen before. And I think it was created in 2011. So I obviously have my oohs and ahs that I have to go through, and I have to actually learn before actually putting some serious money into it. Now we are in a correction which just means that the prices of these assets have fallen by more than 20 to 30%. I'm pretty sure that Bitcoin has fell by more than 50%. And now, this is what Warren Buffett said, all right? He said, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when other people are fearful. Now, when something drops by 50%, what does that tell you? Most likely, it tells you that people are fearful. And so using Warren Buffett's quote, what do we do when people are fearful? We be greedy, meaning that we buy up as much as possible. Now, I'm going to be putting more money into acquiring these coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum because people are fearful. And the fact that if you were watching this video and you understand that concept and you understand that quote from Warren Buffett, this is the time to be accumulating more and more Bitcoin, more and more Ethereum. And it's really that simple. And even when it does go to highs, I just, keep on dollar cost averaging. I put a certain amount every time I get paid from one certain business, and I put it into the coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Super simple concept, super simple strategy. Now, why is it that I can do this, and why isn't it, that popular, and why don't a lot of people do this stuff? It's because it's not fun. I mean, realistically, I get paid every week and I go buy more stocks. I get paid every week and I save up for real estate. I get paid every week and then I go buy some more Bitcoin. It's not as sexy as, trying to make $5,000 one week and trying to make $10,000 in 1 month off of one coin. But remember, you're not building wealth that way. There's a difference between being rich and being wealthy. Rich people, they make a lot of money. Wealthy people, they get a lot of money without working. So all I have to do is wait, sit back, and buy more coins and buy more dividend stocks, and that money will keep on coming in every single month without me doing anything, only just holding it. We want to build wealth on this channel. We are not trying to get rich. Essentially, we would like to get rich. Obviously, if something turns out in our favor, this is why we started business, so that we get rich. And so once we get rich, then we put those riches that we got from getting rich into becoming wealthy and buying and holding valuable assets. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really, really hope you appreciated the video. I really didn't want to go too in depth about it. I just want to tell you guys my strategy on investing into anything, to be honest, and especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until next time, peace out.